In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot in a few ways on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way, it's going to be using your volume up and this big side button. What you want to do is simply press and hold these two buttons and let them go at the same time. So you're going to press at the same time and let go again. What I did was press and hold, just like that, where you have to simultaneously do it and let it go. And once you do that, you have a screenshot on your iPhone. And from there on, you can go ahead and save it, share it, mark it off. If you need to do any markup and then hit done, it'll ask you to save it to Photos, Files, or Quick Notes. Or you can delete it. I'll save it to Photos, and you can open the photo app and see it. Another way is if you have Siri enabled, you can actually get Siri to also take a screenshot for you. Simply say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." As you can see here, without using those buttons, Siri can also do screenshot for us, just like that. And now you might be looking for a full page screenshot, and that's usually possible with whenever you're on a browser. Let's go on apple.com here, and we're going to take a full page screenshot so it captures everything. So let's say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." And Siri has done that. Then I'll tap on that to open it up. In order to get that full page screenshot, I'll simply tap over here. Now I have a full page instead of that one portion. So you can see here, I have that full one, and from there on, I can click on Done here and save it to Photos. And now I have a screenshot or full page as well. So those are going to be two different ways you can take screenshot on your iPhone. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.